Hello and welcome to Gaia Energy Attuning Center's Light and Love Workshop, where your energy will be elevated to a whole new level, and you will learn how to remove the blocks and barriers that keep you from manifesting your dream reality. Are you ready to discover how magical and powerful you really are? Did you know that your gifts were divinely designed within you by God Himself? Let one of our highly skilled energy attuning specialists assist you on your transformative journey, where you will learn how to strengthen and perfect your skills and abilities. Look around. The world needs a whole lot of healing. It is time to unleash the power within your soul and manifest your dream reality while guiding others to do the same. Gaia Energy Attuning Center LLC helps you begin discovering your true self and your magical abilities by focusing on physics. Everything is energy, and when you learn how to match the frequency of the reality you want, you will most certainly achieve your goals and manifest that reality. Everything is all about energy, frequency, and vibration. Do you know what yours is? Let's start with the basics.